Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to verify your account by email on Instagram. By verifying your email, you can add an extra layer of security to your account and access important notifications. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up the menu options. From the menu, tap on Account Center. This will bring you to a new page where you can manage your account settings. Once in the Account Center, tap on Personal Details. This will allow you to view and edit your personal information. Now, tap on Contact Info. Here you can add or update your contact information, including your email address. To add a new email, tap on Add New Contact. Then tap on Add Email to proceed. Enter the email address you wish to verify and tap Next to complete the verification process. You may receive a confirmation email in your inbox to finalize the verification. And there you have it. Your Instagram account is now verified by email, adding an extra level of security and convenience to your account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.